5G services limited for SIM1. This device supports 5G features. To use the 5G network, the following conditions must be met. The SIM card has been activated for 5G service. The 5G network is available in your location. Failure to activate the Vivo NR 5G calling service may affect 5G network registration during a call. An overdue bill can prevent registration to the 5G network. Ensure your plan has a sufficient balance. Tap preferred network type and select 5G preferred. Go to settings, select SIM card and mobile network, select SIM1 settings, select preferred network type, select 5G preferred.